It's now time for the changing weather. Oh boy, we have a powerful storm in progress, and from tornadoes, there's been fatalities, to snow. Could it snow in Kansas City? Let's take a look at this crazy weather pattern. It is March weather madness. And I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak with Weather 2020. Yes, these storm systems predicted months ago. I'll show you that as well. Let's take a look. Right now, you can see we have tornado warnings with a raging line of thunderstorms in progress from Mississippi across Alabama and Tennessee. Here's one tornado warning in Warren County, Tennessee. Here's one for Tuscaloosa, Alabama. They had a big one a few years ago, you might remember. Here's another tornado warning for Mississippi and Lauderdale. And there's one down there in Louisiana as well, St. Tammany Parish. So a whole line of thunderstorms raging across the southeastern part of the country. It's part of a powerful storm. So as this deadly storm moves across the southeastern United States, it'll move offshore tomorrow afternoon and say goodbye to that powerful storm. But there's another storm on its heels. It may actually snow in Kansas City. Take a look at this. This is pretty amazing. So the spring part of the forecast is this high risk of severe weather where Birmingham, Alabama is in the middle of it for the next few hours. And you can see the risk shifting off to the east. And it is a high risk with a severe weather outbreak in progress. But look at this. What is this? This is the European model valid at 7 a.m. Wednesday. As you can see, there's another strong low pressure area right here. Remember, these black lines are isobars. Isobars are lines of equal pressure. So here's that 994, 992, 990, 988 pressure line. And then see how tight the pressure gradient is here? There may be a blizzard in northwest Kansas with temperatures near freezing and very heavy snow. Will this get to Kansas City? If the Euro is right, it probably won't snow in Kansas City because this is slower. By the time it would get here, it'd be during the day Wednesday, and there may be some snowflakes mixed in, and that's it. However, look at the American model, the GFS model, valid at 7 a.m. at the same time Wednesday. It's a little faster, so the colder air gets here. North winds at 30 to 50 miles per hour. Yes, north winds at 30 to 50 miles per hour, and rain may change to snow in Kansas City. And in these bands, there could be some significant snowfall accumulations near the Iowa-Missouri border. The Canadian model has it even heavier, with heavy rain changing to heavy snow across northwest Missouri, northeastern Kansas. All right, let me show you that Canadian model again. It is possible, more likely, it's going to be a rain and snow mix in Kansas City, but there is a chance, if this is faster and a little stronger, there could actually be accumulation. So something to monitor closely. So let's take a look at that one more time. You can see we do have the snow wrapping from Iowa down into northeastern Kansas on the Canadian model. We have the truth about the weather, the crystal ball of weather forecasting. We predicted this storm system, this series of storm systems to come across. This was the prediction made 35 days ago. There are some out there showing the Storm Prediction Center how accurate it was at 1 and 2 days out. And if that blows people away, why wouldn't this blow people away? This is our forecast from 35 days ago. This is the Storm Prediction Center's forecast from 1 to 2 days out, and severe weather is happening. How do we do it? How is it possible? Well, the weather pattern is cycling. Look what happened on December 28th. See all the red dots? Those are tornado reports. And the blue dots are wind reports, and the green dots are hail reports. You see that? This is what already happened in December, and this is the region being targeted again, and we were able to use the LRC to predict when and where these things are going to happen. So pretty interesting for sure. So there you go. Here's what's happening. It's a dangerous day. Severe weather in progress. Tornadoes in progress. Hopefully, they're not major, but there's already been a couple big ones, possibly in Missouri, and some fatalities. So, our thoughts and prayers go out to everyone out there that has been affected. For Kansas City, let's keep our eyes on the next wind and rain and snow event coming our way. I'll keep you updated. I'm meteorologist Gary Lezak with Weather 2020. Yes, this is the changing weather. And I'm going to go take Rainbow and Sunny out for a walk right now. Have a good day. Thank you for watching The Changing Weather.